Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson, and today we're talking about the AMP1 12 HTS. This is an all nanoparticle face shield designed for arc flash protection with a 12-calorie rating. This particular model also has slotted cap adapters to be used in a slotted cap. These are the slots that they fit into here. We consider that to be a semi-permanent attachment with this particular model. As you'll see in this very modern product, the face shield is attached to the interior of the cap bracket. This means that you don't have exterior fittings to get snagged or to cause problems for the face shield. The interior of the face shield has all of the attachments inside. You'll notice that this has a transparent chin protector. This is the same material as the face shield, so it's a nanoparticle, arc flash resistant material that protects at 12 calories. The chin protector cannot be removed from the face shield. The face shield can easily be removed and changed from the cap bracket. There's a lever lock to the interior that by you just pulling the lever lock back, the cap bracket opens up, and at the two ends the shield can be disengaged. To reinstall, you reinstall the two ends first, pull this cap bracket down, snap it into position. You'll see that there's an adjustable pivot on both sides, and one of these adjustable pivots includes a detent that you can adjust to the tension level that you want to have it. In other words, you can set this shield so that with a nod of your head the shield will drop down, or you can tighten these pivots and it'll stay in whatever position you want it to be in. This nanoparticle design has many advantages. In this case, it's a 12-calorie shield. We make these nanoparticle shields in different calorie ratings. In this particular situation, the 12-calorie shield will give you this protection only in combination with the chin protector and when the shield has been fully deployed on the helmet. The nanoparticle design allows visible light transmittance that is better than what we've ever had in the legacy green models that we've sold previously. It allows all of the different wavelengths of the visible light to come through the shield to give you a perceived view that is similar to what you see normally. In other words, you have to already have good color vision to be able to see with good color vision through our product. In this smaller chin protector model, there's many features and benefits. One of them is that you can look down, you can look right and left better than you can when you have a larger chin protector. The optically polished section is of quality that you can actually read a newspaper through this chin protector. This gives a tremendous advantage for the person in the field. Let's just say that you're working and you want to look down and pick up a tool. You can see right through the chin protector and pick that tool up. Or let's say that you are in an elevated position, such as a ladder, where you can look down and see with your peripheral vision or directly where your feet are located. This is an advantage that a transparent chin protector has over the opaque chin protectors that are often in the market. The coatings on this shield are only the anti-fog coating on the interior. We call it our standard coating. It is not a permanent anti-fog coating as we have on our other models.